iTrustCapital pricing explained what you get for your money. iTrustCapital is a platform that allows users to invest in cryptocurrencies and precious metals through self-directed IRAs. Many people assume such specialized investing comes with hidden fees, but iTrustCapital maintains a transparent pricing model. The platform charges an annual account fee and a 1% trading fee per transaction for crypto and metals purchases or sales. There are no setup fees, and transfers between iTrustCapital accounts are free. Users can open accounts with as little as, making it accessible to a wide range of investors. Most people get this wrong by thinking self-directed IRAs are overly complicated or expensive. iTrustCapital simplifies account management, provides secure custody for assets, and integrates trading tools, making retirement-focused crypto and metals investing straightforward. The surprising truth is that iTrustCapital combines tax-advantaged retirement accounts with alternative asset investing, giving users both diversification and potential growth while maintaining compliance with its rules. In conclusion, iTrustCapital pricing is simple and predictable. Understanding the annual fee and 1% trading cost reveals how investors can safely manage cryptocurrencies and precious metals within a tax-advantaged retirement account, delivering both security and value for their money.